While I was sort of at a point in my life where I decided to take the sauce outside of my local Brixton and not promote it where Caribbean people were. I decided to just go wherever there was a event about spices and about food, but there wouldn't be no Caribbean people there. And it was while I was at one of these events, one of the producers of Dragon's Den was just happened to be in the audience, and I was there selling the sauce and being silly on me as I was back then. And she came over with a business card and offered me to come on the show. And I remember specifically when she did offer me the card, I refused it because I'd never heard of the show and I didn't really understand what she was trying to tell me, that it was about finance and that sort of stuff.
So at that point, you actually weren't even looking for investment, or you weren't particularly trying to grow the business. You then kind of fit a business model of growth around the fact that you could go on the show to ask for money.
Yeah, no, I suppose no. I mean, for me, when I used to go to those events, it was about networking and always trying to get to the next level of selling the next bottle of sauce and getting some more information about the chili world and about people that love spicy food. So it was me gathering information to perhaps do the business in another way. But as I said, about the tide, when it comes, you never know. When it comes, and sometimes it hits you in your face, or luck, I call it the tide, but it's about your luck comes and sometimes slaps you in your face and you're still not waking up to it. And she was giving me a business card and telling me that here is my tide, this is my moment, this is your moment of luck has come. Because I wasn't in that space at the time, I was saying, no, excuse me, I'm not really into that, but I still took the business card which she gave me, and it was later on that my kids recognized the business card from Dragon's Den, and it was them that sort of told me what the show was about and that sort of stuff.